about what the heck we got going on here. Okay. So the roof line warped a little bit. It became wavy. So I am putting a piece of angle iron on the inside and a piece of angle iron on the outside. Well, angle aluminum anyway. And to try and straighten it up. And then I'm going to hot glue this seam together so that it makes the two panels straight and makes the point nice and everything else. And that's the plan. So that's what I'm doing. In order to manipulate this side up or down, I just put a screw in here, and then you can see I can adjust it in some way. some primitive adjustment, yeah. So I'll set you somewhere, I guess, over here. No good options. Yeah, I'm just gonna start hot gluing. First, I'll put some more. Yeah. You know what? I think it would actually be better to do this from the top, because there's already a groove up there that I can fill with hot glue. Fuck. Okay. We're going to the top, and it looks like the only thing I'm going to need to do is push this section down. So okay, we'll do that. Maybe this is why I was going to do it from the bottom. It's quite dangerous to do this up here. Shit. Okay. Sketchy. Safety first. Okay. Okay, this is what I'm looking at here. I'm trying to see. Not very straight. I mean, it's going to be covered in solar panels anyway, but I would still rather do a good job. Okay, I need to move that piece of angle. Okay. I know what I need to do. I'm going to start doing it. I need to move the aluminum over here to straighten up this peak. And we'll go from there. Heck yeah. Oh no! Okay, making this template here. I'm going to make a few of them. And I'll just hot glue them here to the roof so that I can get the correct angle. See how it goes. This. About right there is what's correct. I don't know where the gap came from. Yup. We'll continue on. Hello. So I'm back today, and I realized. Okay, so I'm back today. This 6-inch, take 3. I'm back today. I realized over the course of take 4. Okay. Take 5. Last take, the correct take. Okay. The 6mm PVC foam, even with 2 layers of fiberglass on it, is very rigid and very light, but it will still warp. So what I've realized I need to do is some of these panels that I need to keep flat, I am adding, I guess these rails that I had in a different video that I cut to provide like a joist or a stiffening beam. Not sure what to call it, but it should stiffen up the length of the section so that it doesn't twist and bow and whatever other shapes I can make with my arms. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to fill out the corners. I just made some thick epoxy, and then I'll come back over it with probably 2 to 3 layers of 6-ounce cloth. It's super hot, so it should be actually cured today, and then I'll slap it on the other side of the boat, and I'll show you that when I get there. Yeah, take 5. Take 5's all right.